Guys, I just entered a trade on my demo account this evening. This is 6:59. Okay, I've been trading since in the morning. uh well, for now I'm still trading on my demo account, not yet funded. By the grace of God, I'll be funded by the end of the month. I'll fund my real accounts. Okay. My last real account made some withdrawals and then still deposited back, and it was blown up. I made serious mistake. I went and increased the lot size unknowingly to me, and I placed a trade, and the trade went against me, and everything wiped out. So to cut the long story short, what I did to get this setup that's already trading on right now, well, we have not reached our take profit and the stop loss has not yet been hit. But just to analyze everything, let's go to the trading view. All right, so right now we are at the trading view. So what I basically did was I waited for Nigerian time. I waited for 1 o'clock to for the time to be at 1 o'clock, because that 1 o'clock will be the close of this particular 4 hour candle, because that's always my target based on my strategy. That's always my target. So this is the candle right here. I'm gonna mark the high wick and then the low wick as well, for you to see the candle that I'm talking about, the candlestick I'm talking about on a 4 hour time frame. This is Euro USD right now. So this is what I did around 1, and I waited for two things. Okay, basically one thing. I waited for market to break either above or below, and then I try and target another block, a continuation of a reversal. So as I waited for the break, I went to the 15-minute time frame to wait for the break, and as you can see, initially the market broke above and tested to this other block right here. To this other block right here, the market retested to it and now broke below it. So as the market broke below it, meanwhile I've already traded. I traded on this retest. I'll show you the trades. I traded on the retest. So as market broke below it, I marked it out on my MetaTrader 5, not on the trading view because of my network was glitching at the moment. So I marked it out like this. Exactly. I marked it out because market did not continue going high. You understand? I marked it out, and because market broke it, and now saw that market is giving a possible a probability that, or a confirmation that market will actually go to the downside. So for a confirmation, I went to the 1 minute time frame immediately to get an entry for the trade. As you can see, market entered, and my entry is always an order block also. As you can see, market broke. Give me some few. Okay, as you can see, market broke up. Market broke. Yeah, as you can see that the market broke and then also retested. As you can all see, market also retested. Started going to the downside. So my confirmation was a 1 minute order block confirmation, or a 1 minute break, and then the candle that caused the break, which is the opposite candle of the direction, will be the other block which I marked. So the break of structure right here, as you can see, I saw the break of structure right here, and went on for the trade. As you can see, I marked it, then mark it again. Good. Now everything being well marked and done, so I set a position of short, and yes, I increased the stop loss because I don't normally trade and put my stop loss on obvious zones. And yeah, as you can see, because this was the lower low, the recent lower low, then the 1 minute time frame, because this was one market broke and was about to retest, so I use it as my best TP. Okay, I use it as my first tip because of what I saw also on the 15 minutes time frame, because I saw a long bullish shootout and also an order block right here, as we can see. Well, as I saw it, I took that range as my first take profit. So this was exactly what I saw, the break of structure. As you can all see, market broke this structure on the same 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, finally got in the spot. Market broke the structure, and what caused the break of structure was this red order block. So as I took my profit at this zone, I said let me wait for a confirmation whether market to be interested in the order block. But for the confirmation for if market to be interested in the order block is two things. As market retested, then I'll go to the 1 minute time frame to look for the confirmation, which is a 1 minute candle formation of a break and a retest, and then I enter for the long. But if I don't see it, then as if I don't see, which I didn't see right now, based on what the market is showing me, showed me a clear break of structure to the downside, even breaking below the bullish order block. So this gave me a confirmation that market will actually continue for the sell. And what I did was to mark this zone. This is my order block here because it's the candle that caused the market price to push up, and then I marked it. This was what made me trade this evening right now. So I marked it and I waited for a bearish order block. So one thing I want to be very clear, especially about what I'm saying right here right now, because this is what many people they make this mistake. You see this stuff right here, okay? Well, just want to let us know that this is not a clear order block. This is not a clear order block, as we can see. Give me a second. So this is not a clear order block, because what makes this thing not be a clear order block, because market has been given a week, it has left a week, 2 weeks inside the order block zone, and yet still broke. You understand? So I don't trade this kind of order block. In another block, what I want to see is a clean downside, no retracement or no wicks before the downside. And then as I was looking for that clean order block setup, I saw this one right here. So this was where I actually took my trade. This particular one right here was where I took my trade. This particular order block. Alright, let me mark the candle out. Exactly. Now it has been marked, and immediately market retraced. That was where I entered the trade. So let's wait and see what the market will do. Exactly where I entered the trade, and my stop loss normally is always above the normal range, because of obvious. I don't like my stop loss to be at obvious places, because market has been doing a lot to me since I've been trading, using me as liquidity most of the time. So what we're targeting right now is the trade down to this side. So I will leave the trade to continue, and let's see what happens. So thank you for watching. This is my strategy, the strategy I always use and I've been using. Alright, so I'll be waiting for market to do two things: either hit my stop loss or hit my take profit, and every trade is a lesson. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Alright, so please like and subscribe. So let's wait. I'll give you guys what happened, or I'll show you guys the result of this trade. Okay, so as you can all see, the trade is still currently on, and this was my today's trade. has been on serious losses throughout. This is the first Euro USD, that first trade that I took. Yeah, exactly. They have been on serious losses and drawdowns since then. And then and this. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and God bless.